What's up, animal adventurers? Today we're going on an exciting journey to guess some amazing animals. Are you ready to test your animal knowledge and have some fun? Let's dive right in. We're going to show you some incredible creatures, and your job is to guess what they are before I reveal their names. It's going to be a blast. Here's how it works. I'll show you a picture of an animal and you try to guess what it is before I say the name. Get ready to put your thinking caps on and let's see how many you can get right. Are you excited? I know I am. Let's get started with our first animal. Take a good look at the picture and make your guess. Ready? Here we go. Our first animal is a majestic creature that roams the wild. Can you guess what it is? Take a moment to think and make your guess. Did you guess it? It's the lion. The king of the jungle with a mighty roar. Lions are known for their strength and bravery. They live in groups called prides and are truly magnificent animals. How about this one? It's the elephant. Did you get it? Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. They have big ears, long trunks, and are incredibly intelligent. They use their trunks for all sorts of things, like drinking water and picking up objects. Elephants are also known for their strong family bonds and social behavior. They live in herds and take care of each other. Truly amazing creatures. This one's tricky. It's the kangaroo. Hop to the right answer? Kangaroos are famous for their powerful legs and ability to hop great distances. They carry their babies, called joeys, in pouches on their bellies. Kangaroos are native to Australia and are truly unique animals. They can travel at high speeds and cover long distances with their incredible jumps. Okay, time for another. It's the penguin. Did you guess? Penguins are cool birds that love to waddle and swim. They live in some of the coldest places on Earth and are excellent swimmers. Penguins have a unique way of moving on land and in water. They use their flippers to swim and can dive deep to catch fish. They're also known for their adorable waddle on land. Last one, it's the monkey. Did you swing to the answer? Monkeys are playful creatures that love to climb and play. They live in trees and are very social animals. They use their tails for balance and can swing from branch to branch with ease. Monkeys are known for their intelligence and curiosity. They live in groups and communicate with each other using various sounds and gestures. They're always up to some fun. Great job, everyone. You're awesome animal detectives. You did an amazing job guessing all these animals. Remember, the animal kingdom is full of incredible creatures, and there's always something new to learn. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun games and adventures. See you next time. We have so many more exciting activities and animal facts to share with you. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonderful world of animals. Let's take a moment to talk about some fun facts about the animals we guessed today. Did you know that lions can sleep up to 20 hours a day? They conserve their energy for hunting and protecting their pride. And elephants? They can communicate with each other using low-frequency sounds that humans can't hear. These sounds can travel over long distances, allowing elephants to stay in touch with their herd. Kangaroos can't walk backward because of their large tails. Their powerful legs are designed for hopping, making them one of the most unique animals in the world. Penguins can dive up to 500 meters deep and hold their breath for up to 20 minutes. Their bodies are perfectly adapted for life in the water. Monkeys are incredibly smart. Some species use tools to help them get food. For example, capuchin monkeys use rocks to crack open nuts. They're always finding clever ways to solve problems. The animal kingdom is full of wonders, and there's always something new to discover. Keep exploring and learning about these amazing creatures. You never know what fascinating fact you'll uncover next. Thanks for joining us on this animal adventure. We hope you had as much fun as we did. Remember to stay curious and keep exploring the world around you. There's so much to see and learn. Until next time, animal adventurers, keep guessing, keep learning, and keep having fun. See you soon for more exciting adventures and animal fun. Bye for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun games and adventures. See you next time. We have so many more exciting activities and animal facts to share with you. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonderful world of animals.